The Weil Legal Innovators Program is our firm's signature philanthropic initiative. The program engages rising law school students who defer their first year of law school to work at a nonprofit organization for a paid public service fellowship, fully funded by Weil.
As a fellow, you get the dual benefits of getting experience in the nonprofit sector and also exposure to how a leading law firm approaches corporate social responsibility.
The program was born out of our firm's desire to give back to the communities in which we live and work, and to help develop the next generation of lawyers to become innovative leaders who understand and have experience in the intersection of business and public service.
Being a Weil Legal Innovator, I think, has made me more bold about who I want to be in this world and to really take ownership of my impact. Whether it's engaging with people at Weil or people at the Aspen Institute, which was the nonprofit I was located at, the people in these environments are committed to acting today. And I think being around that energy, being around people who are thought leaders and change makers really has pushed me to be more bold.
The Weil Legal Innovators Program has been truly incredible for my professional future because I have really learned about the scope of the opportunities that are available to me in law.
What's been so special about this program is it's really complicated my thinking. I have a tendency to be very black and white about things, and this has really helped me understand the shades of gray in law and in doing good, using the law to do good. I've really grown a lot in this year.
Being in the program has really given me a sense of confidence that I have the ability to succeed in the legal profession, but also a diverse range of professions outside the law as well.
Prior to the program, I worked in the federal government, and then this program has allowed me to really fill out my legal experiences by getting experience in a nonprofit and also learning about a big corporate law firm.
The first piece of advice that I would give to an incoming innovator is be reflective. This year goes by super quickly, and it's a great opportunity to really think critically about who you want to be and the impact you want to have on this world.
My advice for an incoming innovator is to talk to your boss and to talk to everybody in your organization. One of my favorite things has been talking to all the different people in my organization and learning about their projects, and it's exposed me to so many different areas of law that I just did not know about and was not aware of. So having that connection and just having those conversations can really change your trajectory. You should really actively seek them.
Take initiative. The year goes by really quickly, but you really can have a substantial impact on the communities you engage with through your nonprofit work. And the third piece, I think, is the most critical to me, is really get to know your peers in your WLI cohort. The people I met in this cohort, I think, will be lifelong friends. They'll be my classmates and hopefully my future colleagues.
Before I started as a Weil Legal Innovator, I was absolutely sure that I was going to go straight into the nonprofit world, work as a public interest lawyer, and never look back. And through the different speakers that we've had the opportunity to learn from, the partner mentors, the associate mentors, I've started to think a lot more critically about what it means to do good and where I can be most effective.
My biggest takeaway from my time as an innovator is that community matters. Being in community is fundamental to actually engaging in sustainable work, but rarely do we have the opportunity to really be in community and talk to people, hear their stories, hear about how injustice is impacting them, and really being able to forge those relationships and recognizing that I'm not entitled to any of those stories, but I will be a better attorney, I'll be a better student, I'll be a better person for having developed those relationships.
Understanding that the lack of direct work experience in a particular position or organization does not preclude you from doing really meaningful and impactful work in that capacity.
As I think about my time with the Weil Legal Innovators Program and with the ACLU of Texas, I am reminded of the connections that I've made and how important those connections are in developing support
and nurturing both professional and personal, and watching the people that I work with continue to fight on as we have hit block after block and still continuing. It is so important to me that this fight continues. It is not about the outcome, it is that we are continuing to fight for what is important.
Just this amazing community of Weil Legal Innovators. Everyone I've met is so intelligent and really just gives me faith that our world can be better, and also just provides an amazing community across different law schools as I look forward to my next years and beyond, even after law school.